Welcome to JAR channel again. Today we are going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. It's getting hotter these days and our appetite is getting smaller. How should we make up our taste buds? Why don't we try something that is new and slightly spicy? No time to waste. Let's start our video and see what should we cook for tomorrow. Today we are going to share with you spicy laid bean curd roast with beef. And you can get the details at the end of our videos. First, we remove the core of the yellow and red peppers and slice them afterwards. Try to slice it as thin as possible. And then, slice the leek after chopping it into smaller segments. Place the sliced ingredients into a bowl and set aside. And proceed the beef. The beef I bought this time has no horizontal or straight pattern, so we can slice it on either side. Now we can then start to marinate the sliced beef. Mix the pepper, sugar, salt, soy sauce, cornstarch and water. For tips, adding more water to the beef while marinated helps to make the beef more tender. Then add sesame oil and marinate the beef for another 15 to 20 minutes. Time we're using the brand Bell's newest product, Spicy Laid Bean Curd Roast. Easy to buy from Truck and Shop and some not wet market. The opening, there is a marinated piece of laid bean curd roast. Use a knife to slice it as thin as possible. After cutting the bean curd, please place it in a bowl to use it for later use. While heating the pan, add oil and ginger slices. After aromatic, then add the beef into the pan as well. Don't cook the beef too quickly after it is put in the pan. Fry the beef until it's 80% cooked. Remove it from the heat afterwards. We can use the same pan, add some oil, then fry the leek and pepper. A bit of salt, and we can pick up the ginger. After slightly fried, add the spicy laid bean curd roast. And after frying it around for 2 minutes, add the beef back into the pan. You are ready to go. In a hot day with a spicy dish enhance your appetite. If you like this spicy laid bean curd roast with beef, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you will receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We will share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. Thank you again and see you and have a nice weekend.